Okay, so let me do a thumbnail. Okay, cool. So as you can see, this video is a kind of relaxing video. I'm just trying to get in the space of coding and just do this. It's really simple, honestly, so it's not that complicated. If you hear a little noise, I am next to a window, and I do film in front and on sides of windows because I just love that natural lighting. Yeah, as you can see from the title of this video, I am going to be coding a website. It's very simple. Basically, Kendrick Lamar, he really doesn't have any posts on his Instagram at all. I think he has one post or two. I haven't been on Instagram in like 2 weeks. When I was on there, he had one post, and in his bio, it was a link to a website. And I feel like the website was so simple because I'm learning HTML and CSS. I haven't gotten into JavaScript just yet. I was like, I can totally do this, but I'm gonna be coding Kendrick Lamar's website that he has in his bio. Basically, on his website, it was just stating, it has a little image icon, and it's kind of like a Minecraft looking icon. It's pixelated, and it just says new thoughts. But instead of saying new, instead of spelling the actual word new, N-E-W, it's just N-U, new thoughts. And I thought that was cool too. But he has the icon, you press it, and then it takes you to a web page, another web page, which is, a website is basically web pages coexisting with any. You get it? I'm gonna put the actual definition, but basically that's what a website is. So he clicked it and then it went into another web page, and it just basically, the web page was just explaining him coming back with one last album. It's such a bummer. I'm sorry, I didn't want to read him not coming back again. Honestly, I've really been enjoying your song. Anyways, so I'm gonna be recreating that website, trying to find the icons. I may not be able to find the exact icon that he used, but it'll be something similar. So let's just get into the video. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. I just came back from the store. The audio may be a bit wonky because I am charging my camera right now, so I don't have the mic in. So we're gonna be using the app Mimo. If you don't know what it is, Mimo is an app that basically teaches you the foundations of web development. So it teaches you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc., all the way down. Mimo, sponsor me. Basically, it's for kids, young adults, anyone who wants to know the basics of web development. You'll learn in Mimo. Now, of course, they have extensive packs where you can learn a little bit more in depth, but if you want to know that, I'll put a website down in the description box down below. You can just learn more about HTML and CSS through that website if you wanted to. So we're going to be using this app. Now, I would do this on my laptop, but my laptop literally will not allow me to peacefully and effectively code on there. Like, it just won't. I literally have to code through Notepad. So yeah, so we're gonna go to code, and as you can see, I tried to build a website. When you go to create, it's gonna say Python script, simple website, or React app. We're just gonna press simple website. So from there, we have our doc type HTML that basically starts off the code and it renders it as an HTML document. And then we have the HTML, which everything is supposed to go inside of these. As you can see, it has the first one right here. I'll press it and it has the last one. You finish that off. And then we have the head, the title, and then we have the body. So in the head, we'll just be putting everything that's going to like really design the website and shape it, which we may not be putting anything in the head except for the text that we'll put under the icon, but that's about it. So we're just gonna call this Kendrick Lamar because my name is Sloan, and we're just gonna blend it together. I don't think that really goes, but like, we're just gonna do it, you know? Kendrick Lamar. So yeah, so in this video, I'm gonna be partially explaining to you everything, but if you wanna know more in depth what I'm actually doing in this video, I'll put some videos for you to reference in the description box below. But I'm not gonna explain it. If you wanna know more in depth what I'm actually doing in this video, I'll put some videos for you to reference in the description box below. But I'm not gonna explain everything now. It's essentially a video of you just watching me code the website. But if you wanna know more of what I'm doing, there'll be some videos down below to help you. So yeah. So first, I think we're gonna make a picture, and we need to find a picture. I'm gonna get ready for the picture. So we're just gonna put our A attribute here, not attribute, but our element here. And then I'm sorry, it's a refresher for me too, okay? Because I literally just started learning this, but I think we're gonna be like, I forgot what it was. I think it was like type. I know it was this. I know the link, but that's gonna be for the link. But that's that. But I think it was something else. I need to reference my other code, but there's no way for me to reference that. And then I'm gonna make my text, which is, I want this to be like a paragraph, honestly. So if you're like wondering like why is she ending the P and she doesn't end the A, it's because the A, it doesn't finish. It's an open tag, so it's not gonna close, if that makes sense. But yeah, so under this, I'm gonna put new thoughts. I kind of want to change it up and be different though. Instead of saying new thoughts, I should be like new ideas. Yeah, but there you go. So we're gonna use new ideas. So let's go find an image. This is how it looks, guys. In case you didn't know, but it's just new thoughts. You press it and then it goes into everything, which that is, I find it really neat and easy for me specifically to do. But yeah, so we're just gonna go pixelated image. I don't know how to actually like direct image link. Okay, so we're gonna copy the link of this and I'm gonna keep that right there just in case.
Is it crunchy? No, it's not. I see you done put two teeth into it and it cut straight. No, I need it crunchy.
So we're trying to find some more. I'm trying to find some more. So I have the purple folder and I have the little magical purple folder. It's a name for this. It looks like it's like a chrome something. So I think I'm gonna go with this one because it just looks really cool. And I'm just gonna put it in the link right here, guys. I'm just gonna paste it right here, and then I'm just gonna finish that off just like that, like so. I'm gonna add my image. And then we're just gonna put that in there. Okay, and then we're just gonna finish off the A. Okay, so the A does close. I know I said like the A thing doesn't close, but it does indeed close, guys. There's other elements that don't close, but this one does. So yeah, because I know you guys can see it like, oh, she said it didn't close, but it doesn't. I'm sorry, I take that back, it closes. Okay, so I actually wanna run this through and see what happened. So let's run this again, just to see. But this image just does not work. Because you see new ideas, right? It's at the top. I'm gonna like position it later, but we see this, but we don't see the picture. So the picture is not working. Well, let's use the other picture, see if the other picture works. That's a bummer that it didn't work though. Like it really is. So we're only gonna change the image element because we just gonna keep the link for the other photo as a placeholder for a link that we'll put in later on, honestly. Okay, let's run this through and see if it, okay, so it shows. And then we press it, it's gonna go to something. Okay, cool, great, okay, that's what we need. So we're gonna do that, we're gonna keep this in, and we're gonna do that. So now we're just, honestly, for the most part, we're just gonna be positioning this. Positioning new ideas, positioning this in the middle, making it in the middle, because right now it's not in the middle. So this is where we're gonna go in between head. The starting head, which is right here, and then the ending head, which is right here. New ideas, positioning this in the middle, making it in the middle, because right now it's not in the middle. So this is where we're gonna go in between. I'm very slow, and it's crazy that it took me this long to realize that I needed to put style in within head, like yeah, slow. Something's going on. Am I doing that right? I'm sorry. So basically, I was putting equals, like width equals, margin left equals, top equals. Like it's not that. It's the two dots, which you call those something. I'm gonna get it later on, but it was this. So yeah, I'm kind of really embarrassed. I'm going like really fast, which I'm not. I don't need to. I have all the time in the world. I feel like this is kind of in the middle. Don't you think that's in the middle? I think it's kind of in the middle. Now it's time to position that in the middle. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it easier for myself. I'm not gonna work harder, but smarter. Okay, I thought I did something. So yeah, we're just gonna copy this, and then we're just gonna do the P, because again, we are formatting the P. We're formatting essentially new ideas, which is this. So this is kind of too far down. We're gonna put it a little bit up. It needs to be close to this. Let's see if 85 works. That's not working. Sorry if you hear sound in the background. Okay, so I think I finally got it right. I mean, it looks like it's in the middle. Press it, it goes to this. So it's a workable link, you know, it's a clickable link. And I feel like all in all, it's right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the P pixelated, because his new thoughts does look a little bit pixelated. I'm just gonna try to find a font. So basically, if you want to change a font, you just put font family. So I'm gonna try to find a font now. Okay, so I feel like it looks somewhat the same, somewhat decent. This is how it looks now. You see like how that's kind of like, so it would take some more positioning, but I'm trying to speed up in this video. But so far so good. It's looking okay. It's looking decent, not great, but it looks decent. So I'm now gonna just make the web page the link that we're gonna need to do this. So yeah, this is gonna be really easy and fast. All I'm gonna do is just write down some random stuff, which I just might have the same thing you put down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to his website, and I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna paste all of that in there, honestly. You know what, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna be original. So what should we write? We should write, you know what, it's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be a surprise. So we have our homemade setup, and we're gonna put the mic in. So we have our setup. Okay, so basically I was trying to figure out my line spacing and what I was supposed to do, and basically this is how the website looks now. So basically I just put the paragraphs in different like areas. So each lyric I did, which now you know I'm doing a song, but each lyric I did, the one line went on one paragraph element, and then I just separated them. And then I did the word spacing, line spacing, and the letter spacing, which was cool. And then the image, I just put the image closer to the top, and then I put the width of it different. And now I'm just gonna change the background. So I'm slow once again. I'm not slow, guys. Like, I promise you I'm not slow. I just go really fast and I need to learn how to slow down. Cool. Okay. And now we are done. So I'm gonna save that. Go to this one. So I'm gonna go to my first one. I'm gonna put the link in this one. So what I'm gonna do is the first one where I had the icon and the image it, I'm gonna go to my A element. I'm gonna change the link attribute right here. I don't even think this is gonna work because of the type of link this is, but okay, so it works. So I'm gonna show you guys the finishing touches. Press it, it shows up as this. You see it as this, you can see. Then it has new ideas. That's what it shows. And then you press new ideas and then it goes into it. So as you can tell, I have the lyrics of the song. It's the song Family Ties by Baby Keem featuring Kendrick Lamar. And it's the third line in Family Ties. I'm not gonna go all the way into it, but basically I just have the lyrics and then I have the kind of like the music video, and that's it, guys. That is it. That's the end of this video. If you guys sticked around to watch this whole video, thank you, because this was a process. I literally had to Google like stuff to use because I had no idea what to use, but I'm glad that you guys stuck around. If you like more videos and you want more videos like this from me, please comment down below. I would be very, very excited to know that you guys want more content like this from me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to be positive, and yeah, I'll see you. Bye.